Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create question mark video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create new project on CapCut. I'm going to click on new project and I'm going to go to the CapCut library. I'm going to select the blank clip. Okay, I'm just going to add it to my project and I'm going to add question mark to this project. I'm going to go to the text and add text and I'm just going to type in question mark. Okay, then I'm going to make it bigger like this and I'm going to apply effect to this text. We're going to go to the style and then go to the effect. And I'm going to try the luminance effect. Wait, I'm going to try it guys. Okay, and I think I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, and after that you can animate this question mark if you want. Just click on the question mark and then go to the animation. Then you can choose the animation that you like. I'm gonna go with loop animation. Wait. For example, I'm going to choose this pixel bounce. No. I'm going to select the wobble. Okay, and now it's done. And then you can click on export to export the question mark video. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create question mark on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.